Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Diesel. This one here stickers at 67,270, featuring the 3-liter turbo diesel and the 10-speed automatic. It's finished on onyx black over dark walnut and dark ash gray. This is the Denali Ultimate package, and then the Duramax was a $995 option. With every higher specs Sierra. Get your 6-way adjustable tailgate. And if you don't want to use those steps, you have handle, side step. You can rock the truck. Also available, kickable side step. You can use that to access whatever's in the front of the bed. To retract it, kick it again. Here's where you put your DF and your diesel. Good amount of space. Oh, because I know somebody would ask. Yes, you can ride the running board when it's in action. Denali also comes with remote start. Before we get started, let's take a look at that Duramax diesel. When you have remote start activated, it's going to automatically shut off your engine. Not bad at all. It's actually a pretty quiet diesel too. It's not a lot of that typical clatter. It's there if you listen to it, or listen for it I should say. But let me start it up. Don't do that. That's what I was afraid of happening. Oh, you're gonna be temperamental with me. Sometimes you can just spin it. It doesn't really like that. But so I'll open the hood again so you can hear the diesel and hear that it's not actually all that loud. It's not bad at all. Ventilated seats, all the features you would come to expect from a truck like this, with its sticker price of $67,000. Power rear window. But yeah, without further ado, let's take it out on the road, see how she drives. I'm going to go ahead, I'll put it into sport mode. Once you put it into tow haul, your transmission temp comes up. But But yeah, let's put it into sport. The 3-liter Duramax is a relatively new engine. I think it came out in either late 2019 or 2020, one of the two. I'm a huge fan of it. It's supposed to slot between your 5.3 and the 6.2. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It's supposed to slot between the V6, the 2.7, and then the 5.3. It's right between the 2.7 and the 5.3. Does have auto start stop, which you can disable. Love the array, the row of buttons. Let me just say that way. The row of buttons. Shut your traction control off and all the features. Exhaust brake is down there, I believe. The highway, it's not bad, nice and comfortable. Brakes are awesome. I love the brake pedal feel in these trucks. It's very progressive, whereas you start to apply more and more pressure, it builds up. You won't feel the end of the pedal. It's really, really nice. Oh yeah. Brakes are awesome in these. Steering, really actually responsive. Not a lot of dead zone. In sport mode, I'm gonna bump it over into normal. Oh yeah, it loosens up a good amount. I mean, these trucks are just absolutely phenomenal. The amount of luxury in them. I think the Duramax ones are going to be pretty rare. We don't get a lot of them. And whenever we do get one, they tend to sell pretty quickly. Recently, they've been selling before they even hit the dealership. People will see them coming in, and they'll be like, yeah, I want it. And they'll buy it sight unseen. It's pretty crazy. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.